The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. Universal quarter-inch hex bit holder. Delivers a powerful 930 inch-pound of max torque. Patented 3 LED light ring. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen.